Hey everybody, this is Arkin Samuel representing for Armour. I have a leg day for you today. This leg workout I currently give to people that's coming to the gym, or the beginners, or somebody that's coming off an injury. I'm actually doing this leg workout for myself actually right now. My knee just got healed. If you remember watching my video about the carnivore diet helped me heal my knee. This is one of the splits that I'm doing, programs that I'm on, and it's definitely helping me get my knee stronger. And it works. The basics still work. I know Instagram got everybody doing backflips and thinking that's training and stuff like that, but now over here. But anyway, definitely check this video out. I hope you like it. Subscribe and comment on the video and stuff like that, and just let's get into the video. Hey guys, we're gonna get right into it. The first movement is Kettlebell Goblet Squat. I love this movement. It probably my favorite because you could go deep as possible. You could grab a very heavy kettlebell. It's not taxing on your lower back, and you could do a lot of reps and a lot of sets. And you see here, I'm doing 6 sets of 20, and it can really be taxing on your quads. Keep your core tight. It definitely works on your cardiovascular because a lot of sets and a lot of reps. So, and it definitely gets the job done. Hey guys, this movement here is the leg press machine. I love the leg press machine because it's safe, and it's safe because you don't need a spotter. You could get right into it as long as you don't lock your knees, and you could go as heavy as possible. You can make adjustments like I just did. And the leg press machine is safe. You know what I'm saying? And you could do a lot of reps and a lot of sets on this one too. I think here I'm only doing 4 sets of 12 just to get the job done, get in and out. So the leg press machine is the second movement. The third movement here is the leg extensions. And here I got like a 4-second pause. Again, I'm coming off a leg injury, and you don't have to go as heavy, but that pause there makes the difference because we into training. We just don't come to the gym just to work out or move weight. We come to train. So here I'm training my quads. I'm pausing at the end for about 4 seconds and let it burn. I believe I did around 12 reps here. And it's simple to the point. You get a good workout in, and you're hitting those quads, all that blood going through those quads. Hey guys, this machine here is, I like this machine. Get on it, get to the point. Glute kickbacks. You know, it's more of like the finisher on this one. And this is, beginners could do this and really get a good leg workout in. I definitely approve this machine. The ladies love it. My female clients love this machine. And again, you could definitely exhaust your whole leg, from the quads to the hams to your glutes. Once you push back and have that little pause right there, and when you do that right there, you make sure it's tight. You keep pushing. It's mind-muscle connection. You make sure every rep, every set counts. And there you go, guys. Very simple. Beginners could do it. You could add on more weight, make it heavier for more advanced. Or if you're coming off an injury, I definitely recommend this workout.